Hello everyone, I am Gunjan Mishra. Today I will discuss the topic application of artificial intelligence. As we all are using the online shopping companies for purchasing some item, as per our interest, the online shopping company provides some product recommendation just for our interest and choices. As we are using the amazon.com for purchasing some item, if as per interest we have considered one item for the purchasing, then after closing the apps we are finding that if they are providing some recommendation so that they can attract the customer to buy other product, and due to this they will get more revenue so that customer can purchase more items. In this uh, in this slide, I have described the recommendation process, that how the recommendation process are executed by the some machine learning process. So there is a user, and this user uses the online shopping companies just like the Amazon and Flipkart. As per their interest, he is clicking some items for the purchasing. After that, what's the items he is clicking, all the information are stored into the recommendation engine, and this recommendation engine is uses the all the click item into some algorithmic process so that it can find out the some criteria that it can send the data for the same process of the customer choice. So this is the process of the product recommendation. Now techniques for the product recommendation. There are two main techniques for the product recommendation. One is the content based filtering and other is the collaborative filtering. In the content based filtering, there is a single user interaction and their preferences. Just like if I am buying some shirt, then the pant and other clothing for the single user interaction is provided by the company for the product recommendation. This is the process of the content based filtering. In the collaborative filtering, if the if any person are clicking some product, then their interest is also associated with the person those have also purchased some item. So the commonly used collective information from the interaction from many other users to derive suggestion for you is used in the collaborative filtering. Collaborative filtering is not dependent only on the single users, it is dependent on the many users, that if someone has purchased items, then others has what's interest for the same item. So these types of filtering are used for the recommendation process for the online shopping companies. Artificial intelligence in Netflix and YouTube recommendation. As we are using the Netflix, and Netflix is a big entertainment channel for the worldwide, and it is usually uses for the entertainment for the person, and Netflix uses the machine learning algorithm are driven by the business needs. The presence of artificial intelligence in today's society is becoming more and more ubiquitous, particularly as large companies like Netflix, Amazon, Facebook, Spotify, and many more continuously deploy AI related solutions that directly interact with consumers every day. Just I am giving one example, that if I am using the Netflix, and through the Netflix I have used some action movie. After closing the app, and once again if I am open the Netflix, it recommend some action type movies in the Netflix channel. So it knows what the interest of the user. According to their choice and interest of user, they are providing the data. Also, the same process is uses the YouTube. YouTube is also very popular site. They are providing the videos for the entertainment, for the teaching, for the education, and many more fields. And if any person are clicking for the specific area, then these type of specific area are recommended by the YouTube channel. Artificial intelligence in agriculture and farming. The most popular application of artificial intelligence in agriculture appear to fall into three major categories. One is the agricultural robots. Companies are developing and programming autonomous robots to handle essential agricultural tasks such as harvesting crops at a higher volume and faster pace than human laborers. Crop and soil monitoring. Companies are leveraging computer vision and deep learning algorithm to process data captured by drone and software based technology to monitor crop and soil health. Predictive analytics. Machine learning models are being developed to track and predict various environmental impacts on crop yields such as weather changes. So the lots of machine learning application, artificial intelligence technique are used in the agriculture field, so that the cultivation and the crop are getting more nutrients with the help of the artificial intelligence technique. Now, in this slide, I am giving the example of the Plantix, and Plantix uses image recognition to identify defects and nutrients deficiencies in soil. Plantix is the very popular app for the farmers in the agriculture field, and this mobile app are very useful for the farmers, because if there is any deficiency in the plant, then Plantix uses the image recognition techniques to identify the defects. How we can use the Plantix? Once we have installed Plantix in our mobile phone, we have to capture the image of the plants, and after capturing the image, it has the some machine learning techniques that train data for all the deficiencies process. So once we have clicked the image of the plant, it will identify that what the deficiencies in the plants and how we can sort out these problems. So this Plantix app is very useful for the farmers. Artificial intelligence in banking. Artificial intelligence has transformed every aspect of the banking process. Artificial intelligence technologies are making banking processes faster, money transfers safer, and back-end operations more efficient. In the banking sector, there are lots of artificial intelligence techniques are used to reduce the man power, as well as it helps the bank employee to in their work. In this slide, I am giving the HDFC Bank a bank AI chatbot Eva, and Eva is the good example of the artificial intelligence used in the banking sector. And chatbot is used for the customer who have any problem. What we have to do for the Eva chatbot, once if any customer have the account in the HDFC Bank, and if they have any problem regarding the bank, just like account problem, and they don't need to go to the bank sector, or they don't need to call for the customer care service for solution of their problem. This app provide all types of solution for the customer problem. And this Eva chatbot uses the Google Assistant service, in which we are saying that, okay Google, talk to HDFC Bank. To Google Assistant service, it is directly connected to the HDFC Bank. This Ask Eva is uses some artificial intelligence technique for the communication of the customer, and it also uses the speech recognition technique. Artificial intelligence in social network, just like the Facebook. Facebook Facebook uses machine learning and deep learning to detect facial features and tag your friends. Facebook is a popular app for the social media, and in which once we are posting some group photo, then it will automatically suggest the name of the person include in this group photo, and tagging also represented by the Facebook app, and it will also notify that person which are present into the group photo. So these types of intelligence technique are used in the Facebook. How the Facebook used the face recognition process, uh, all these things are described in this slide. Just like there is a face of the human beings, and the geometry of face represented by some plus symbol, uh, and after the geometry of the face, it will convert it into some matrix form, and all these plus symbol are represented into the matrix, and through this there is a machine learning process is executed, and after that there this representation is stored in the database with the some unique face id. Just like if this person is named A, and after the face structure of this machine learning algorithm, this is stored as a unique face id named A. All the information of this user is stored into A through the machine learning process. After that, if any person has posted the group photo, and in this group photo there are many people, and one of the people is represented as the A, which data is already stored into the machine. So once the Facebook has facility that it automatically detect the face, and it also matches the pattern of the data into the stored database. So the person with the name A, the it is already unique face id is stored in the database, so it is identified as a person A, and there is a tagging option is automatically given by the Facebook, and it will also notify that person that your photo has been posted. So this is the total process of the face recognition process, through which tagging and some other facial recognition techniques are used by the Facebook. Artificial intelligence in automobile sector. The application of artificial intelligence in automotive industry is not limited to autonomous driving. AI and machine learning also helps with keeping us safe and connected. Moreover, it's those emerging technologies that are now applied in the manufacturing process. To determine the place of machine learning and artificial intelligence in the automotive industry, we are listed some cases, just like the cloud services, predictive maintenance, AI driving, self-driving, driver assistant, and smart manufacturing. These are the processes are used in the automobile sector. Now, in this slide, I have given some example of the Tesla autopilot. There are lots of companies that are making the autopilot, but the Tesla company succeeded to make the autopilot vehicle. So all new Tesla cars come standard with advanced hardware capable of providing autopilot features today and full self-driving capabilities in the future through software updates designed to improve functionality over time. Tesla has several functionalities. Just it has the automatic lane changes, it has the auto navigation, it has the self car parking, it has also some specific sign recognition system. So all these properties are included by the artificial intelligence techniques. In this diagram, a Tesla car is running onto the road, and there is a sensor, some actuator, and radar system. These hardware resources are used for the sensing the environment, and according to that it will judge how to run into the road. So this is the good example of the artificial intelligence technique in the automobile sector. Artificial intelligence in education. Through the artificial intelligence, the student get education at any time, predicting students future performance. As the after the result analysis, uh, it will recommend the student that which area they have to choose for their career. Training simulators means just like I am teaching in the platform of the online So this types of techniques is also used by the robot. They can also perform the teaching in the real time as compared to the human beings. In the automatic grading system, just we are checking the copies. After that, we are providing the numbers, and there are some specific artificial intelligence techniques and software in which once the performance of the students is automatically calculated, and for their performance, for their marks, they are providing the grading as per their record. Now, artificial intelligence in robotics. Today's artificial intelligence powered robots are at least those machines deemed as much possesses no natural general intelligence, but they are capable of solving problems and thinking in a limited capacity. So I am giving, there is an example of Sophia. This is Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong based company Hanson Robotics. Sophia uses artificial intelligence, visual data processing, and facial recognition. In October 2017, Sophia became a Saudi Arabian citizen. So, Sophia is the first robot in the world who got the citizenship of any country. So, Sophia is the very good example of the artificial intelligence technique. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. Artificial intelligence in healthcare are widely used for the some robotics process, just like the drug discovery, proving speed and accuracy of diagnosis. There are lots of experiments of AI techniques uses through which we can diagnose the patient, and we can get the accurate data after the diagnosis system. Electronic health record maintain the data of the patient so that we can get the relevant information of the patient for their health. Robotic surgery. Robotic surgery are used so that the critical operation executed very well. Artificial intelligence in industry. The future of manufacturing prototype robots solve problems without programming. In this slide, I have given the one company name, Siemens. With the help of artificial intelligence, researchers at Siemens have developed a two-armed robot, just shown in this figure, that can manufacture products without having to be programmed. In a glimpse of the future of automated production, the robots arm autonomously divide tasks and work together as one. There are lots of robot that are using for the manufacturing process, and in the industry they are helping the manufacturing process to execute some tasks. That's all about the application of artificial intelligence. Thanks.